There, welcome to Audio Essentials. Today I'm going to show you how to get your sound effects files ready to share with the class. So you should have already recorded at least 20 different sound effects, and then you need to edit them a little bit before you turn them in. So we're using Adobe Audition for this. So go ahead and open that up. I've already opened one of the files, but if your page is blank, you can just go here to File, Import File, and then find them on your computer. Make sure that you've copied the file. If they're on a SD card or something, copy them to your computer first. Just make a new folder on your desktop or something, copy them into there. Otherwise, you might unplug your memory card and then you don't have access to them anymore. Okay, so once you've imported the files, you should have a list of them here. Maybe you only have one file. I guess I'll go over that if you do have only one file, but for now, let's assume that they're all individual files. So each one, if you double click on it, it opens up the waveforms here. So I'll start with this one here. The first thing you want to do is cut off any parts that you don't need. So here at the beginning of the file, laughing, take one. Oh. Laughing, take one. Okay, laughing, take one, stop. So we're going to cut off the parts that we don't want. So I'm just going to click here and drag everything to the left, and then I'll hit the delete button. Then I don't want this end part. I'm just going to click there and hit delete. Now when I hit play, alright, then it's also good to notice how up here in the upper right there's this little square that's divided in half. If I click that, this is the fade out. If I go all the way, notice it makes the waveforms smaller. But I'm just going, oh, actually, that's the second. We're going to do that in a sec. First, I want to boost the volume. Notice how here the loudest thing is getting to -5 on the top, and about the same on the bottom. So I'm going to raise the volume until it's almost touching the top. So I can just click here and bring it. So that's too loud. I don't want it quite touching the top, right about there. Yep. And then by default it selects everything. I can just click to deselect. Now that I've done that, now I can fade it out. So I'm just going to go up until I don't want to actually change the waveforms that I can see. This is just to fade out the background noise. And we can fade in the background noise as well, but again, don't go far enough that you're changing the waveforms. There we go. Then once you've done that, then go File, Save As. And I want you to name this pretty specifically. So first you type in the category, so this would be laugh, then underscore, and this is a male laughing. And then I have about 3 different laughs, so I'm going to name this 01. And if you want to change the location of it, probably easiest to put it in the desktop or something like that. There we go. Sound effects, and hit save, and the rest of this should all be good, and hit OK. Alright, so we're done with that file. Now let's go to this one. Alright, so there's a few things at the beginning that I want to cut out. So I'm going to select that, hit delete. Select that, delete. Then let's boost the volume. Now this one I want to pay attention to the bottom of the waves because they're a little bit louder. So right there is probably good. And then let's fade it out at the end and fade in at the beginning. File, save as, laugh, male, 02. Oh, there we go. Since I used that one last time, that pops up. Hit OK. So just do that for each of your sound effects. Once you're done, if you're doing this for my class, we're copying them all onto the shared drive. So just go here, CTE, ALC, audio, sound effects, and then make a new folder and put your name on it. And then copy all of your sound effects into that one. And then you'll be done. Good luck. We'll see you next time.